What's up, Bubby? We did it, man. We did it, man. We got to 50 subscribers. Yo, for those that don't know, because I haven't shown my face on this camera, or at least on this channel yet, how's it going? How's it going? Man, I'm grinning side to side. We did it. We hit 50 subscribers, boy and girls. I'm excited. I am ecstatic. We've been at it for a while, guys. And sorry, this is my puppy sleeping music here. We've been at it for 6 months. We got to 50 subscribers. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. I'm gonna make a compilation here. Every milestone we hit. 50 was my first big milestone. Sure, 10 subscribers was a lot to get to at first too. We hit 50, and the next one's probably gonna be 100, and we'll go from there. But I'm gonna be here, make a little video, and eventually on my channel, I'm gonna show my face. I work in a prison as a registered nurse. Eventually, that probably won't matter too much, hopefully. But here we are. Today is March 2nd of 2021. We hit 50 subscribers. Let's keep the journey going, and it's been fun. I'll see you guys at 100. Good morning, bubbies. Good morning, bubbies. It is March 20th of 2021, and we have made it to 100 subscribers. 101, man. It's felt like a grind to get here, but it was a little while ago we were at 50. Now we're at 101. I'm excited. I'm happy. It's been fun, and I'm just gonna keep going. But it's definitely a internal celebration. Reaching the 100, man, it was a process. But it's been fun. Like I said, I really haven't been too focused on the subscriber count. But, you know, if I take you all the way to my very first video, you know, that was 6 months ago. It's been a 6-month process. It's been a journey, but man, we did it. I'll see you guys at either 150 or 200. We'll get there. I'll see you soon. Yo. 150. 150. Boom. 150. Yo, check this out. So April 16th, 249. That makes me happy. I'll see you guys at 500. Yo, so right now we actually moved. So I think I mentioned it in one of my videos that we moved, and this is where we moved to. And we still got, you know, some unpacking to do. Still actually waiting on a washer and dryer here. But that's an upsetting story for another day. I have a desk here to build, but the most important thing is that today is April 30th, as you can see here, and we now have 401 subscribers. That's crazy. I know, I think I said I was gonna see you guys at 500, but I had a peek in at 400. But now I'll see you guys at 500. Man, I'm happy. I'm excited. The journey's been fun. See you guys at 500. Little cactus. Yo, it took a while, but we finally did it. And don't mind my scratchy voice. I just woke up. It's like 5 a.m. See, so this was yesterday, right before bed. 10:20 p.m. 500 subscribers. But I'm like, it's not official until you get to 501 subscribers. So let me wait a little bit. So someone may unsubscribe. And I've been doing these check-in videos where like we reach a milestone, and you know, I'll be like documenting the moment. And I was too tired yesterday to be stoked. I'm still kind of too tired now, but I'm stoked because now, you know, here we are. It's August 6th, 5:15 a.m. Whoop, not at Dave & Buster's. And we're officially at 501 subscribers. Baby. 500 subscribers. Man. 500. We started from 0. And it took a long time to get here. I started this channel in August, I think 25 of 2020. We're on August 6 right now. So within a year, we were able to cross 500 subscribers. I'm excited for what's to come. It's been a systematic process, but so has dividend investing. And my whole channel is the concept of time and trying to be systematic. And as that goes, this goes. And I have a lot more in store for the channel, and I'm excited. I haven't even shown my face on this thing. Not to say that won't take away subscribers, who knows.
Locks on them, that's nice.
Do they? Yeah. 600 subs. If it'll focus. Ooh. Progress is being made. It's pretty cool.
I'm so proud of you. Excited for you.
100 more than 500. 700's next. We can do it. We'll take a little time maybe, but we'll get there. Oh, and just so you can see the date, let's show you. It is October 14th of the year 2021. See you in a little bit. We'll see how long it takes. Yo. So, I don't know what it is. I mean, maybe it's because you round up and it makes it seem like I'm closer to 1,000, but I hit 700 subs. I said that weird. I hit 700 subs. So, I mean, that's awesome. Today's November 18th. You can see it here. November 18th. And like, actually, let me show you this too. 701. So finally hitting the 700 subs mark. And like I was saying, I don't know if it's just because you rounded up and it's like, technically it's closer to 1,000 versus before being closer to 500. But it's like, at what point do you start feeling like a YouTuber? You know, I feel like a little bit more YouTuber-like at 700. Man, I'm excited. Makes me feel good. I mean, I think it's just really cool to watch. I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but it's been fun. We'll see what 800 feels like. And we'll see when it happens. Feels good. Thumbs up. Something is weird. Look at this. I didn't hit it. I didn't hit it. 898. It was these bots. The bots got me. Oh man, playing with my emotions. These bots. Okay, so now on June 13th, 2022, we have finally made it official. I don't know what happened before, but we're clearly past 900 subs, 950, and at video 100. 50 more subs to go to 1,000. I'm pretty hyped about it, but I feel like I should have been there by now. It's been a long journey, but it's been fun. 50 more to go. See you guys in 50 more subs. So I just wanted to check in because things are happening fast. Today is August 14th, if you can see there. The year's 2022, because eventually that'll matter to say, because, you know, years pass, whatnot. But the crazy thing is, I just wanted to check in because, man, it's happening fast. I'm at 993 subs today. And as you know, I've been systematically also documenting milestones for my subscriber milestone hits, I guess you can say. Starting from the very beginning, I don't even remember, was it like 10 subs or 20 subs that I was super excited for, and you know, it was super exciting in that moment, and you know, it's really been a grind, but man, I'm like 7 away from 1,000. And you know, I'm gonna upload this thing, but just in case I don't catch it right at 1,000, I just wanted to check in right before. Man, it's been a journey, and this is what consistency looks like, week after week. For 2 years, I started this YouTube channel on August 20th of the year 2020. So almost 2 full years. And this is just a start, but it's really validating. And so I do appreciate you guys for sticking along the ride. And I know there's been a lot of evolution along the way, but if there's anything you guys want to do, anything at all that you've been thinking about doing and you just haven't done it, you haven't started, just know that time passes. Time passes. And moments they just go right through your hands. And before you know it, maybe you won't get another chance. Maybe health happens. You age and you just never get the opportunity. You get busier or whatever. I know busy is an excuse sometimes, but if you have an opportunity to do something today, hopefully just by looking at the journey of my channel and the things I put up on it, hopefully it could just remind you, maybe motivate you to just do it and be consistent. And that's it for my ramble today. But 7 away from 1,000. I'm not gonna have a big celebration on anything like that. I mean, it only means really something to me, but it does mean a lot to me. It really does. 1,000, 0 to 1,000. And none of my videos went viral. That's the crazy thing. So it's really, really just been a grind. I'm gonna go exhale. Yo, check it out. This is not too long after. August 15th, 4:49 p.m. I just got off work and my work clothes. I took my scrubs off, but let me show you real quick. It's surreal. It's surreal. 1K. Let me show you on this one here as well, so I could see later in the future. 1,002 subs. It's official. Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Man. It's surreal. I knew it would happen, like I knew it would, but it's a vision. I mean, that's all it is, and you just have to work for it. But there's always that doubt. Even though you see it, there's always that doubt that maybe you won't do it, maybe you won't make it. But I just want this to be an example of just consistency. Sometimes through consistency you could force it. You can force that outcome that you desire. And that's all this is. That is all this is. And it feels good. And I won't ramble too long. I rambled in the last prior one where I was talking about how we were going to hit it, and now we hit it. 1,000. Stick around for the journey. It's just getting started. It's not stopping anytime soon. Let's see how far consistency takes us. Let's see how far consistency takes us. And as promised, for continuity and transparency, and as possibly some financial motivation, the journey continues on all fronts, and certainly in dividend investing, as we currently now sit at $62,852.53, and this is on the all-time charts, with an all-time return of 28.22%, which equates to a total gain of $7,588.16. And of this from market gain alone, is now beginning to increase once again at $5,696, and from earned dividends, all time, almost $1,900, $9 short. And just taking a glimpse here at the past week's performance, it was our first somewhat red week, I guess you can say, in a while. We've been doing pretty good over the last couple, but I would say it's relatively flat at minus 0.22%, or a loss of $136. And now heading into the dividend activities section. Here we are, starting on August 15th, getting paid by O, $6.64. Also on the same day, getting paid by Alliant, $5.01, and also Procter & Gamble, $7.56. And the systematic game plan continues as well. Here's our $500 deposit with the subsequent funnel of $19.18. And that is that, friends. If I had to summarize these last 2 years, I'd have to say, I'm glad it wasn't easy. I've been living a certain way, and as you can see, so much has changed. I've grown so much from that first video to now. My subscriber count is higher. I look healthier. My portfolio has grown. My income has grown. The key, don't stop trying to grow as a person. Try to continually be the best version of you, not just for yourself, but for others, especially those you love around you. So stay with it, friends, or just start.
But enough of the ramble, as we have a lifetime to tell this story. We got time after all here, as it continues to tick, so no rush. And remember, just as we made it through 7 days, we can make it through another 7. And as always, I will be here. And as always, take care.